If you were looking for a way to preserve your foods for even longer, then this could be it. Let's unbox it and I'll show you how to use it. All right, we have the actual sealer here and I've got it plugged in, came with the plug. It comes with instructions and sealing foam gaskets. It also came with a mason jar lid sealer, so you can do 2 different sizes, and it even came with 4 different mason jar lids, 2 small, 2 large. And then we have the 2 different hoses, so you can do liquid or you can do a marinade. And it came with 10 bags that are already cut, so individual bags, and then it came with a roll so you can take this apart and then make them the size that you want. And I already have this plugged in. Let's open it up here. There's a little support card. You want to keep this handy and put this back in when you're not using it so the lid doesn't press all the way down. And it has some nice little tips here about different types of foods and the care and cleaning and how to use it. I'm really excited to use this because I love cheese, but it does go bad quicker than I can eat it. So it's hard to keep it fresh. So I'm going to put it in one of the bags here. I've placed the bag with the cheese right in here, and there are actually 2 little clips. So you can place the bag right underneath that, and then you're going to press it down. And you should hear 2 little clicks. So there's 2 clicks, and then I'm going to select dry on the top right here. And then it starts sucking the air out of the bag. And then it shuts off when it is complete. And then you can see this has gone to 0. So now we are going to open this up. And you open it up by pressing on the side button on both sides, and then it will pop open. And you can see it is now sealed. It's a little warm to the touch, but now my cheese is going to last a lot longer. I love that it comes with different types of sealers here, so you can use it not only for cheese, but you can do it for even like a sauce or vegetables, fruits, whatever you want to have last longer, and then you can throw this in the fridge or the freezer. So super easy to use, very quick, and I think this is going to be a really great product. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.